But the real obstacles are the mental obstacles. The mental obstacles to Krishna consciousness. The inability to be absorbed in chanting and hearing and remembering. The inability to become attached to Krishna. The inability to control the mind and keep it fixed on Krishna. And the inability to avoid offenses. Even though the senses may be somewhat adjusted, pacified, and engaged in Krishna consciousness in the realm of Vaidhi, still the mind is a little bit uncontrolled. So therefore, we pray to the Sixth Goswami, because now I'm aware that my true desire is not to get free from lust, anger, and greed, and not to get free from the bodily concept, which I've already become somewhat by becoming Nishta and Bhakti. My true desire is to attain love, bhav, love for Radha and Krishna, in a particular mellow of devotion. But I have these mental obstacles of lack of attachment, lack of absorption, lack of control, and fixation of my mind. So please remove all the obstacles to that, so that I can be fixed.